Suspended Harrisburg District Judge Sonja McKnight arrested today and is facing some serious charges.
She is accused of shooting a man in the head last Saturday morning inside a home in Dauphin County. Fox 43's Robert Stover joins us now to break down the charges McKnight is facing and the timeline of events. Robert.
Well, suspended Harrisburg District Judge Sonja McKnight was arrested this afternoon and charged with attempted murder. McKnight was also charged with aggravated assault. Tonight, Cumberland County District Attorney Sean McCormick says it's connected to a shooting last Saturday in Susquehanna Township. Sonja McKnight was seen leaving the Susquehanna Township Police Department in handcuffs and leg shackles Thursday afternoon before being transported to Dauphin County Prison. Authorities confirmed the shooting happened early Saturday morning on the 200 block of Saddle Ridge Drive in Susquehanna Township. While the victim was shot in the head, he is expected to be okay, though he is now blind in one eye. McKnight and the victim were confirmed to be the only people in the home at the time of the shooting. The Cumberland County District Attorney's Office confirmed they are leading the investigation after the Dauphin County District Attorney and the State Attorney General's Office both recused themselves due to a conflict of interest. McKnight's bail is currently set at $300,000. In November 2023, McKnight was suspended without pay amid an investigation into misconduct allegations from the Pennsylvania Judicial Court Board. Now, according to McKnight's court document, she has not posted bail and is currently at the Dauphin County Prison. We'll continue to follow this story and provide updates as they become available to us on air and on our website, fox43.com. Robert Stover, Fox 43 News.
What's up, YouTube? This is James coming back at you with another informative video. I hope you guys are doing well out there on this beautiful Thursday. I'm doing well myself. We got a very, very troubled situation right here with this judge that has past discretions when it comes down to be a criminal. This is not her first time attempting to try to murder a man, okay? And as we go through the story, you'll see that, okay? As we know, it says here, Pennsylvania Magistrate Judge is charged with shooting her ex-boyfriend as he slept. Jilted judge, criminal judge, murderer attempting judge. Okay, that's basically what it boils down to. Wow. Now, a suspended magistrate judge in Pennsylvania shot her estranged boyfriend in the head as he slept last weekend, police said Thursday, in filing attempted murder and aggravated assault charges against her. Tests showed Magistrate District Judge Sonja M. McKnight, 57, had gunshot residue on her hands an hour after Michael McCoy was shot in the bed of his home in the Harrisburg area earlier Saturday, Susquehanna Township Police wrote in an arrest affidavit. Wait till you all see why she did this, and then let's continue. McKnight was in the Dauphin County Prison on Friday with bail set at $300,000. No lawyer was listed for her in court records. A lawyer who had represented her previously said he did not currently represent her and declined comment. A message was left on McKnight's cell phone, okay? More than likely, he know this woman just because of her past. You know what I'm saying? He didn't want no problems with that. You know, he didn't want to have nothing to do with her because, hey, they failed to mention some other things that this story is going to tell us. Check this out to continue. Authorities say McCoy is now blind in his right eye. Okay. Police wrote that McCoy, 54, had tried numerous times to get McKnight to move out after he ended their one-year relationship. On Friday, February 9th, McCoy came home to find McKnight in pajamas on the couch. When he returned from a restaurant, he told her he planned to get McKnight's mother's help to get her out of the home. See, she didn't want to leave, you understand? And so she felt jilted, so she decided to try to kill this man. That's what it boils down to. Michael McCoy stated that it was like she finally understood that it was over. Police said he went to bed at about 11 p.m. McCoy awoke to massive head pain and was unable to see, police said. And when he began to scream, McKnight told him, "Mike, What did you do to yourself? Question. Now she gonna try to convince this dude that he tried to off himself. Okay? He had suffered a gunshot wound to the right temple that exited his left temple, police said. McCoy told police at the scene and later at the hospital that he did not shoot himself. Okay? At least he knew that. You know, he was still in his right mind, which is a blessing. That's amazing in itself. You know, to be shot like that's just crazy. And just still being able to, you know, ascertain what happened. Okay? To continue, when McKnight called 911 shortly before 1 a.m. Saturday, she could not explain what happened and stated that she was sleeping and heard him screaming. Police said in the affidavit. Investigators found doorbell videos from neighboring homes that contradicted McKnight's claim that she did not leave the home the night of the shooting. McCoy suspected she had checked on him at the tavern. Detectives wrote in the affidavit that the gun was registered to McKnight, and both of them said no one else was in the home at the time of the shooting. Okay? Now, the attempted murder case was transferred from the Dauphin County District Attorney's Office, which cited a conflict of interest, to a neighboring prosecutor, Cumberland County District Attorney Sean McCormick. A message was left seeking comment from McCormick. This woman's crazy. I'm gonna tell you. See, they want to talk about mishandling and funds and all that old kind of stuff. You know what I mean? And man, just wait. Let's continue. McKnight, an elected judge in Dauphin County since 2016, was suspended without pay in mid-November by the Court of Judicial Discipline, which handles misconduct allegations against judges. The Judicial Conduct Board, which investigates and charges misconduct cases against Pennsylvania judges, claimed in a September filing that McKnight had violated judicial probation from a previous misconduct case centered on her actions regarding a 2020 traffic stop involving her son. She was acquitted of criminal charges in that matter. Okay? See, not holding her accountable led to her another attempted murder. You understand what I'm saying? But let's continue. Among the pending misconduct allegations, the Judicial Conduct Board alleges that she gave excessive vacation time to members of her court staff, directed to aid to ignore a woman's civil complaint that claimed McKnight owed her for a $2,100 loan, $2,000 100 loan, okay? And used a Facebook profile with her photo and judicial robes to promote sales of a consumer product. Now, here's where we get to the attempted murder in 2019. PennLive.com reported McKnight was not charged for shooting her estranged husband in 2019 after inviting him to her home to help her move furniture. State prosecutors did not charge her, citing self-defense. PennLive said. Okay? I'm telling you, this woman's trouble. And guess what? Guess where she shot her husband back then in 2019? In the groin. Personal. You understand what I'm saying? See, this woman basically is a criminal on a robe, wearing a judge robe. You understand? And she thinks she's above the law. You understand? And I hope that she does not get out. I hope that they keep her ass locked up because she's a danger. You know, anytime she feels jilted by men, more than likely what she's going to do is try to kill him for that. You see what I'm saying? And there were some Facebook posts, you know, from her relatives, you know, got her back on this. You understand what I'm saying? Keep your head up. God got your back and all that kind of stuff. You know, when this woman is actually an attempted murderer. You understand what I mean? See, This is what I'm talking about in this society. Not that any man should try to kill a woman, but when a man does, if he were to attempted murder or whatever he does, hey, he gets the book thrown at him, and basically he is exercised from society. But when a woman does, well then look, they gonna play games about it. A black man's life is just not, it's not really that much to the judicial system, because if it was, they would have found this woman guilty in the first place, you understand, and held her accountable for her past discretion when she tried to kill her first husband. Okay? And that's just what it is. Well, that's all I got on this one, people. I want you guys to tell me what you think about this particular situation right here. I'm interested in hearing your thoughts on it in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe. People, please remember to live your life as though we're being watched, simply because we are. This is James, and I'm out. Peace.